Well, Black & Decker, I hate to tell you, but everything looks really pretty cool except this thing is absolutely a piece of junk. And I just ran it for 2 seconds. And this thing is jammed. You're supposed to be able to pull it back, start the button, and then this is supposed to just automatically go back. Well, obviously, the cable is stuck inside of this housing somewhere, so unfortunately this little puppy's going back to Home Depot. Good thing we bought it there, for Christ's sakes. It allows you to take this off. Obviously the recoil on this thing is busted. Okay, back to Home Depot she goes. We got our guarantee.